Hi, this is Yolanda Van Veen, and in this segment we're going to talk about how to let your grass grow long. Now, why would you want your grass to grow long? And what benefits or why would you do it anyway? There are many reasons that you should or could let your grass grow long here and there. And one of them is if you've got mushrooms coming up or lots of broadleaf weeds, by letting it grow a little bit longer before you cut it, a lot of times it'll shade those plants out and you'll lose them. So that's one of the reasons. But if you live in a development, you'll probably get in a lot of trouble for letting your grass grow long. So only do it if you live somewhere where it's not going to cause problems with the neighbors. So really the only reason that you would grow your grass long is to shade out the broadleaves and the mushrooms. And once they've died back, you can kind of look, you can cut it. Don't do it all at one time. Do about 1/3 of the grass one time, 1/3 the second time. And that way you'll have a nice lush grassy garden without any fertilizer or any chemicals that kill broadleaves.